Yay! Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Jovey and this is my sister Mimi. And guys, guess what? We are here for a very exciting video, guys. So maybe you don't know us yet. My sister Mimi is here in Australia on a tourist visa. So we applied last year for initially we applied for a 3-month visa, which got obviously approved. That's why she's here now. And then that was, when was the last year? No, like the second one. Oh, March. So she got here March this year. So March, April, May. Yeah, so that was until May. And then before that visa expired, while she's in Australia, we applied for another visa. And then luckily, thanks God, she got approved for another 3 months, which is due very soon, guys. So the second 3 months is going to end on the 15th of this month, which is just less than 2 weeks. In less than 2 weeks, guys. And what we've done, we applied for another extension, well, another visa last week. So we submitted the application online because we just did everything online, guys. We didn't ask for any help from anyone at all. We've done it ourselves online. And so last week we sent through the another application, guys, and we were just patiently waiting for the result, guys, because obviously, you know, we don't want her to go home as yet, because, you know, we still have a lot of things to do while she's here. And today, guys, oh my god, so funny. So today we were in the car, and she was in the back seat, and because we passed by that road where we found out that she got approved for with her second visitor's visa. So as soon as we passed by that street, guys, today, just I don't know, maybe 10 minutes ago, I told her to, you know, hey Mark, open your email now, just check if, you know, you've got like any email from the immigration as yet, because last time, like 3 months ago, this is where, you know, we had the approval email from the immigration. So that was just like a joke, guys. And I told her, like, open your email, and then she did. When she did, guys, she said, yes, there's an email, and I said, like, no. So I just, you know, ignored her, because obviously I thought she was just joking with me, because I keep checking myself, guys. I keep checking the website, but every time I check it, it just says status is received. So I didn't really believe her when she said there's an email. And she said, promise, there's an email, promise. And okay, then when she said promise, guys, I believed her, because I know she's not gonna say promise if, you know, she's not telling the truth. Now, guys, show the email. Where is it? So I said that we'll wait until we get home, until we open the email. So no. It's open. So this is the email. Oh. So that's the email that we received, guys. It says immigrant notification. So yeah, immigrant notification, guys. So we know that she got approved. But now the question is, guys, how long? And we couldn't open it yet, guys, because no, she was like shaking. That's what I'm using. And I said we'll wait till we get home. So Dada is here and everyone is here when we open this email, guys. And of course you're there as well, so we're gonna open it all together and get excited together, guys. So we're just gonna call Dada quickly. Sayang. Tata, come on, honey. Come on. I'll get Paris. Come on. So we'll get Paris to open the email, guys. Where's the email? Dito. No. Open it. Open. Here. Open. Ready? You ready, Daddy? You ready, Mom? Oh my God.
I'm
Just
always
like this. Come on. Look.
joke.
Tagay sa siya, Pi. Tagay sa siya.
Naman tutoy.
Tagay sa siya, Mak.
Baby ka na.
What's this, Mak? Yum.
What's in here?
What's this?
Oh, dalisod pag japon ko na.
Tanungan sa tagtanaw, guys. Basin na. Sayop na, guys.
Yeah, it says February.
Let me read it.
Go ahead, read it.
Oh my God. My God. Yay! Guys, she doesn't understand shit.
What does it say?
It says that the visa duration date of grant is the 2nd of August 2019,
Today.
which is
Today.
Today, and you can stay until the 2nd of February 2020. Travel multiple entries, so that just means if you want to,
When I go home?
yeah, you go home, you can go home and come back.
Yeah.
And that's it. It's a tourist visa, so it's all approved. What do you want?
Yeah. So guys, here's what it says. Date of grant, 2nd of August, which is today. And it says length of stay, guys, until 2nd of February. Guys, oh my God, I'm so happy. So we applied for 6 months, guys, and luckily the immigration approved it, guys. 6 months from today. So yeah, she's not going home until February, guys. We're gonna spend my birthday here together, her birthday as well, guys, and also Christmas and New Year's, and we're gonna do a lot of things, guys. Oh my God. We let Dada to check it before, guys, because maybe we're just, very excited and, not reading it properly. So Dada confirmed it, huh?
Look at this. Keep going.
Dada confirmed that it is, guys. So how do you feel? Oh my God, I've been praying for this and I've been waiting for this, and guys, I'm stressing for the last week because, we actually didn't know if they're going to approve or not, because obviously it's the second time that we applied in Australia. And yeah, but guys, God is good all the time. God is good. Wala, guys, tawagan na naman ang mama ka rin, guys. Pahibalo sa maayong balita. Taday. Katawag, di ka na, day.
Mommy. Mommy.
Ma! 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 Online ka, buong. Nakakagbalay? Nakakagbalay? Online.
Pag online ba kay mag-video call ta kadali.
Pakita si Paris.
Laptop dali.
Bisa ka sa cellphone na gud.
Online lang ko gud.
Sa pianon man yung mama. Di manggod ka contacting ra ka oy. Di garing imong phone. Ay ang imong messenger.
Ha?
Dili garing imong messenger. Sige na, balin ta sa messenger.
Sige.
Okay, bye.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Love you, bye. Hello guys, say kon.
Yang reaction. Sige, ignal mo niya. Ano, sa guli na ko eh.
Wala gibingaw si mama sa'yo guys. Ito pa uli.
Messenger na eh. Mingaw na lang ko sa iPhone.
Ano?
Online ko na siya, mamaya ni Green. I-off sa tiya.
Paghay sa... Ala, hi! Hala! Hala! Paris? Hi! Sa hi, Lola! Hi! Hi! Si mama dito mas sa camera.
Mahay sa vlog!
Ano yan mong mama, guys?
Mahay sa vlog!
Please. Trabaho niya. Wala trabaho na?
Mahay sa vlog!
Pag-hi sa vlog ba?
Paghay sa vlog!
Tanawa, sa nagatubang ka sa camera.
Ma!
One more.
Pag-hi ba?
Paghay sa vlog ba? Paghay! Di ka sa pamamabi sa English.
Ma'am, brother, guys.
Well, brother Badlungon. Ma! Ma! Nami ingon ni ate, ma. Nami ingon ni ate. Listening always. Malayo na dyan si mama. Madlock man kumain. Burus. 3 months na ko delay. 3 months na ko delay.
Ang gusto.
Ma! Reply na sa ako ang immigration. Ay, sa amo ang immigration. Next year na ko muli. Next year pa ko muli. Di pa ko muli sunod si Mana.
Nakabihan ka na?
Oh my! Yay! Ni-approve!
Muli ba sa tagal? Sunod na ba? Kasi musunod na nga muli. Lagi ko no, alisa ko no ka makauli na. Kawal kanta ni Paris, Roy.
Oh, kuan. Next year pa ko muli.
Ay, dili naman na ato matagdan. Basin, dali naman ka na. Dili naman ito na. Paano man kayo mga ati pag uli?
Secret.
So yeah, guys, everyone's very happy. I am very happy personally. Yeah, I can't believe it, guys, but thank you so much, Lord. And yeah, guys, so if you have any questions about, you know, visiting Australia, like getting a visitor visa coming to Australia, guys, just drop me a note in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to, you know, reply to you. Or actually, maybe I'm planning to actually make like a short video of how, you know, the process and how we've done it, everything, you know, applying and, you know, all that stuff. So yeah, we are say bye now. We're gonna say bye now, guys, because we're going to celebrate my pajusi Mayora.
May pa-chat time si Mayora.
Yeah, guys, so yeah, thank you very much for watching. As always, I'm very grateful for your time. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button to be a part of this family, and also ring that bell so you won't miss a thing from us. Yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't,
Be careful.